This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic. This is example 22 of solving an equation that contains fractions. So I've got two fractions here. Anytime I see more than one fractions, I always multiply by the least common denominator, and I usually do that even when there's just one fraction, especially when there's two with different denominators. So the least common denominator, I've got a 3, I've got a 5 for denominators, is going to be 15. So I'm going to multiply each side by 15. I'm going to show that like this. I'm going to multiply the left side, which is 2/3 x times 15, and I'm going to multiply the right side also by 15. Okay. All right, so that's 15 times 2/3. I can cancel. That'll give me a 10x. Let's see if you can do this one in your head. 15 times 1/5. Can you do that in your head? 15 times 1/5 x. You're going to get 3x. But if you can't do it in your head, just write it out. 15 times 1/5 x plus 15 times 7. So some people may do this in their head. Some people may write that step out. But you're going to get 3x plus, I think that's 105. Hopefully I didn't make a mistake there. All right, so now we have an equation without fractions. So we need to get the variables on one side, constants on the other. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. So the variables are on the left-hand side here, and the constant will be on the right. And then we'll need to divide both sides by 7. So x equals 105 divided by 7. I think that's 15. All right, so let's check and see if that's correct. So say 15 is the correct answer. So we're going to plug in 15 for x. So I have 2/3 times 15. And first, let's just simplify the left-hand side of the equation. So let's see. 3 goes into the 15, and I get 10. Left-hand side simplifies to 10. Remember, when you plug this in, you're only simplifying the left-hand side, then you're simplifying the right-hand side, and then you're comparing. So I've got, on the right-hand side, 1/5 times 15 plus 7. I'm just doing my order of operations here. 5 goes into 15 3 times, so I get 3 plus 7, which is 10. So when I simplified it, I got 10 on the left side, 10 on the right side, so it checks. So that means 15 is indeed the correct solution. So we say x equals 15. So this one wasn't too bad to check. Sometimes the check is harder to do than solving the equation, and people make mistakes in the check even though they got the problem right. But you want to always check, first of all, because it's good practice to get better at your arithmetic, and also that's the only way you know for sure you have the right answer. This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic.